abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engare iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigage emeronge tato asama bati ali aye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue, na wigo na green. Obutambe bwe mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikonyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom. Onyare kabo gokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka. Ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores. Kutoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumu chuligo musongo eyuera angene duka ya Safaricom. Mwigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simigwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Wirere wia nende mwancho murigirire nigo charakire Chinsa Ikomi cha barwaba nebiro turache gusanga ayo agendete gukorekana ase Chinsa mu ane mono narari ari akorekanire kuroigase orogongo rwa gusinche nkorokwa Matildah Obaigwa veni nyaboke orwase umono wa bwebe manyerere mwancho murigirire ne kirongo chaka abamenye ebe ward ya Kitutu Central ime ya Kitutu chache South County ya Kisii nigo obono bare birero magiga iyo mwana we myaka emeke kugwa na gusombwa na mache ayaiga nigo bono anyarete gukorekana guse akorekanete ase oboraro gukwambuka kurwa Chinsa mo cha shirikisho kucha ase a junction guse a flyover ere ange ni nyagitari ya busongo nekero bono bagendete kurigia umubere bo mwana oyo iga nigo bono banyare kwerera ugoichana kwabona bwigo kogechwa ekiagira ekero asekero babere bakurwa ebiriro gocha ase abateneneri gose abarai banyare kwene kiabuna obrarubu banyare korosiwa orende tibora rosiwa nekero bono bakuboria abarai ane mono oboteneneri kurwa ase serikali ye county enyare kweneke buna asayo arosigwe erio abantu mpagende gutigerwa chingoma nabo igo gusiria magemabo asenchira enka buneyo. Umurai wense umuske William Ruto ni gobono emambe ya rero anyara kubarigania abambasada ba yakro Chinsa ao kusanga nabo ni ase amagacho aikulo enene ku State House nigo umuske William Ruto anyara kubaboria banyara kubekomokia eriwo kinia okubwatirana egati yense ya Kenya nabo igo Chinsa chiria abakuru abaiga nigo bakuru asense bune ya Algeria ense ya Hungary ense ya Norway Ukraine, Mexico, Egypt, Slovenia na boigo Uzbekistan.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your country within Kenya's territory, by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible, within the law, the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations. Ambassador, good morning.
Thank you. Good morning.
His master's degree in environmental technology and international affairs is from Vienna University of Technology.
The Minister for Foreign Affairs. Deputy Chief of Staff in my office.
Allow me to extend warm greetings and best wishes from His Excellency.
Kenya plays an important role in ensuring peace and security in the region.
Mwancho murigereria kwirana ase siasa yekiombe guse kiama kia UPA nigo bono oyore omo teneneri gose omonyakirogo bw'ikiama kyo kia UPA kurwa ase county ya Narok oyo nainde bono ole omwana siasa kurwa ase ward ya Gesusu ase erieta Zakari Saka bono anyare kuboria abantu bagendere kumosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i nabo igo kwerikia ase obonge ase kiama kyo kia UPA nabo igo nekera kwanire buna omugusi nare ne ribaga rinene riokonyora oburayi obuya ane mono ekero bono arachie gochora gose arachie gwake kura yaye gwetera ase kiama ekio kia UPA.
Ndete kubasaba kwanza ndete koleta rambirambi ya chairman ya UPA ekoro kunyambega gisesa ndete na rambirambi ya secretary general ya UPA ekoro Jacob Barongo Bagaka notore na barabu naende mbantebia mangana gakoera toriganire chindugu chiane obaye pole yabo nje mete Narok nje chairman ya UPA Narok County ndate ko basaba abantu baminto ingolera baba ekobera tingunyara mangana ya baba tingunyara gukwanira ngo basaba motoe MCA ya UPA motoe MP ya UPA motoe woman rep ya UPA motoe governor ya UPA motoe Matiang'i twabere to okonya abantu siko gali intwe yetu no goichoreri ate baba usibara bake barabumba konyora kende nyaso toletira ndate mbasa abantu baminto ima ta abantu bale baocha bakwana gochiago sengo kamatole go sengo karatole tiga baka maso bao kamagochi lakini monyore tutaita mo MCA UPA akonya Matiang'i omobungo UPA akonya Matiang'i senate ya UPA woman rep governor ya UPA
mwancho murigere gutigara ime ya siasa oyore umurai wikiama gia DCP omoske Rigathi Gachagua nigo bono mugaso rero anyarire kuraria abene una ekirogo kyo bojumbe kia mbere north egotoka ime county ya Embu bono tikego chigotwara omurwandererio kuro ase ekiama ekyo kia DCP nabo igo nigo anyarire kubura una obochori bore bosio mbobe obochori bwobotero anemono obochori oboiga oboke bwa by elections nigo bono anyarire goteba buna ababwatani ba DCP bagendete kuyarigania kigima ase obochori burakorekane ase chinsemo nabo bonekera kuburia okobwaterana egati yaba rai bonsi.
As we approach the by-elections scheduled for 27th November 2025, and in preparation for subsequent nominations and elections, the National Executive Council has enhanced two vital organs of the party. One, the National Elections Board. Two, the National Appeals and Dispute Resolution Panel. These organs will provide the expertise required to ensure fair, transparent, and effective internal processes. As a party, we are firm in advocating for democratic governance, the protection of civil liberties, and the defense of Kenya's sovereignty against the excesses of the punitive Kenya Kwanza regime. Kenya will witness 1 senatorial, 6 National Assembly, and 17 ward by-elections on 27th. In the spirit of collaboration and fairness under the united opposition and our resolve to unity ahead of the 2027 general elections, leading to the identification of one presidential candidate to face William Ruto, we have agreed that DCP will support the Democratic Party in Bere North constituency, acknowledging that the seat was previously held by the Democratic Party and should rightfully be retained for the party's candidate to complete a full term, and hence DCP has agreed to give support to the Democratic Party candidate and start down our candidate at DCP. We have also agreed that we support the Wiper Patriotic Front candidate in Mubuni ward in Machakos County under the opposition banner. Equally, we have also agreed to support the candidate of the DAP Kenya candidate in Kabuchai and Chwele ward in Bungoma County. For other elective positions, DCP shall field and mobilize fully to campaign, popularize and seek votes at our party ticket. As we compete, we shall respect our opposition parties in those regions, mindful that democracy is the preserve of every Kenyan. This consensus and agreement among the parties in the united opposition only applies.
Mwancho murigire na korwa ase wizara yobochenu bono abo bwatani bobochenu bakurawa no murikyo botambe Mary Muthoni nigo bono banyarire koraria buna nigo abana bange asense ya Kenya babiri bagusiria magimabo kubwatekana na maruire ayora nyare gotangika baukwana korwa ase enyagitari yaga kane imeyomochio Nairobi nigo bono banyarire koerera buna abagina ekirobe bwateranetie ose abasubati bonsi mbabone tukogenda clinic abana banyare kwewa chanjo nabo igokweneke buna amaroire andonsi ali kubwatirania abana korwa ebingwerere ose ekero bagendete gukina banyare konyora obugwene bugwenete ase chingaki chirichitakeire.
With our community health promoters, we have been able to reach out to more than 350 pregnant women who have been identified, and 136,000 of them have been referred to the nearest facility just for checkup. And again, they have also been able to reach to about 10 million children below the ages of 5 years. This is basically to assess common childhood ailment and at the same time issues to do with malnutrition. And when they find that there's a problem, they refer them to the nearest facility. Safety must be designed, implemented, and sustained from the very start at the point of birth, linking patient safety with community health and primary care. And to protect these children, the newborns especially, let us strengthen the foundation at the community level with health promotion, preventive care, and timely detection of complications that prevent tragedies before they unfold. We must learn from safety incidents, not just to assign blame, but to improve. We must improve from those problems that we have had in the past. And every adverse event and near miss is an opportunity to strengthen systems and prevent recurrence. And this happens with transparent reporting, supportive leadership, and the courage to change practices that put patients at risk.
Newborns account for more than 40% of under 5 deaths, showing that the first days of life remains the most dangerous. These numbers are not abstract. They are mothers losing babies within hours of delivery and families devastated by tragedies that should have never happened. Yet, 2/3 of newborn deaths in our region, in Eastern and Southern Africa, which has got 21 countries, could be prevented with simple, cost-effective interventions.
Mwancho murigereria gukwanira obocheno na igati ya borokia ime agency ya Kenya ligo besokire na gukana umurubiri bwo weni umurubiri osha nekero bono oyore muteneneri wekiama ikiombe ikianata korwa ase county ya Nakuru umanekanete na Anthony Gioshe bono anyari kuboria kose ateneneri bwo na goteba buna eserikali nigo bono yanyari kubabetereria aborokia gutumeka umuroberi osha oyu bono aborokia bange banyari gukana na gotebati babwetio kwegena ase umuroberi oyo nga no bakonye irio banyari konyora obukoreri bulio bubwenerete kurwa ase chinyagitari ao ime yense ya Kenya.
We have had a story from the government that they want to move us to SHA, Social Health Authority. And we have no problem with Social Health Authority. But we are saying this, we will not go there. Some people are saying that inasema tukae Minet kwa sababu tunakula huko. We don't eat. In any case, wale wanakula hatuwasaidii kukula. What we are saying is this, even if not Minet, we want our cover to be independent, the way it is independent. And this time round, we are not soothing. It's not a matter of kuma, it's a matter of saying that is the truth. Rather a devil you know than an angel you don't know. We do not know what is inside the SHA. Now you're SHA, you know even policemen are there, others are there, and they are making noise. Otherwise, walimu, our unity is strength. Tukisikia hiyo imesemekana hivyo, tafadhali tutokee and we defend our medical cover. Lastly, it has been whispered that people want to take us to the county, and we will not go there. In any case, we are calling for our cousins in ECD who has been mistreated. We want teachers to be paid well. I don't have to use a lot of English and a lot of words so that people can understand. We don't.
Mwancho murigerea soroboti oro no to korera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragwa bakorende na kirongo kubori ogendera gutigara ime ya Getembe TV ane mono ase chinga kichire vosi oranyara gusanga ana into ase umuroberio bwekerora na korende ase bono mbia bono kigime kyagira kwa gendere gusanga korwa buna abakiete wikira chinga kichiga genda kubwati emeroberinde ere vosi Chinsa mo cha Facebook na boigo YouTube butambe gendera utonyora na Getembe TV Facebook na boigo Getembe TV and FM Chinsa mochiria cha YouTube ngoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa veni nyaboke kwenekia kwa nyore chibichanerio gi asinjira ingikirano.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura chabwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yetu nigo ere enkale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso ryao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate timu ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende cyose uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe ko babwate Dumerang ayuari ayechigech emeronge tato asama bati ali ayechigech emeronge bire naisaro naisato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM ni ko babwate lifestyle ayuago tena roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo range ne duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.